Okay, we're on the Euro-Japanese yen, studying the chart at the moment, waiting for ITM Saturn Pro's 61.8% retracement level to be hit. We're currently in a sideways movement at the moment, with 1 hourly data being sideways. 61.8% is ITM Saturn Pro's top probability retracement. So if we do get that to hit, or if ITM Saturn Pro revises, we will take a long trade. So we're going to wait now until that happens. All right, we're back. ITM Saturn Pro has indeed revised, and the price has now hit ITM Saturn Pro 61.8% retracement level twice. There's a stall signal indicating a retracement to the short side that we're waiting for, with corresponding 100% low put option probabilities. As soon as this retracement is over, possibly in a few seconds more, we're going to take a long trade, which is against the left panel data, as you can see, in the direction of the Fibonacci trend shown by ITM Saturn Pro, which is long. So here we go, $2,500 on a 5-minute Euro-Japanese yen trade should take us long, as we're anticipating a very sharp, very volatile move to the long side. As you can see, we're already in the money with that move transpiring. How this works is ITM Saturn Pro 61.8% retracement level and 50% retracement levels hold precedence or priority over the left-hand panel data. When these levels are approached by price, tested, retested, we have a strong case for trade in the direction of the trend, which is long if the Fibonacci's are green and short if the Fibonacci's are red. As I've explained in over 33 days worth of trading sessions now, that the Fibonacci tools in ITM Saturn Pro have priority over the left-hand panel data, which is really an indicator of what is happening in the market right now, whereas the Fibonacci's projected by ITM Saturn Pro are an indicator of what is going to happen in the future. That is the key difference. And when we see Fibonacci retracement happen, that is in concordance with ITM Saturn Pro's high probabilities, we take the trade in the direction projected by ITM Saturn Pro, which is long in this case. 5-minute binary option here on the Euro-Japanese yen, with price having shot away to the top. There is still the chance that there might be a retracement still, and that's perfectly fine. If we see this price retrace short again, like, oh, it is doing that right now, that's perfectly fine. Don't worry about seeing red and freak out. There's nothing like that to worry about, because we have high probability reversal levels there. We have the 61.8% and the 50% that are going to basically project price to the long side again, since those are high volatility places where price resumes the trend. As you can see, small dip there, after which we've seen a very large projectile worth of emotion here off of the 50%, which is being supported again by the 61.8%, and this trade is now very comfortably in the money with 3 minutes and something seconds remaining. That is the beauty of ITM Saturn Pro's projected retracement levels. They're beautiful, because what you can do there is predict where price will go in future with a very high probability of success on short time frames, allowing you to take trades, comfortable ones. On the 5-minute, you can take one-touch trades, you can take boundary trades, anything there that allows you to capitalize on short-term moves with a higher degree of confidence is provided to you by ITM Saturn Pro. 2 minutes and something seconds remaining here on this particular trade. And as you can see, I'm just going to go back to the chart shortly to show you something that's happened on that last bar. I'm just checking this price here. We're pretty much dwindling sideways here, comfortably in the money. So that last bar there, as you can see, has opened above the close of the previous one, indicating some stops have been taken out. When stops are taken out like this, you can anticipate a very large volatile move again to the long side shortly after. Stops are taken out, basically smart money is taking out a few sellers who've basically gone into short positions there, and price immediately retraces to the trend side, which in this case is long according to ITM Saturn Pro's Fibonacci trend. Fibonacci's being green indicates a Fibonacci long trend, being red, and there you go. That's that volatile retracement I was talking about. We're going to probably just hang around here in the 38.2 to 50% level for the duration of this trade, which is about 1 minute and something seconds remaining now. So we're not really concerned with price hitting a certain target in the future. All we're concerned with is that price is very comfortably in a safe zone that is protected by ITM Saturn Pro 61.8 and 50% high probability reversal levels, drawn for you automatically by ITM Saturn Pro. As you can see, the left panel data is revising. Price is comfortably in the money here, just dwindling up and down in the safe zone. As we can see, with the exception of that brief moment there where a retest happened, shot straight back up into the money there to the long side, as we projected earlier with ITM Saturn Pro, the 61.8 and 50% retracements being green. Here's another signal indicating price will continue long. We have a stall signal that's just shown up. A stall signal is a red arrow in this context, with a positive bar where prices closed above the open with a negative bar pointing downwards. That negative bar indicates that price is due to retrace in the short term for a little bit, followed by a subsequent move to the long side again in the direction of the Fibonacci trend shown by ITM Saturn Pro. So there's that retracement happening right now. Very high probability outcomes here. As you can see, we can predict in advance what happens, because ITM Saturn Pro's retracement levels are calculated to the point by ITM Saturn Pro, allowing us to take these moves with a very high degree of confidence. Retracement over, prices escalating back to the long side, 20-something seconds remaining here, and we're comfortably in the money with 50% ITM Saturn Pro and 61.8% ITM Saturn Pro projection levels, pretty much holding steady in this environment, giving us a safe zone, keeping price in the safe zone with only 6 seconds remaining on this trade now. And we got very low chances of failure here unless the price escalates to the downside in one swift motion, taking out the 50% and 61.8%, which is not unlikely but can happen. So here we've netted $4,250 in gross with a $1,750 profit. Thank you.